Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Kidde model i9010 smoke alarm. This has a 10-year sealed battery. Now if you look around here on the back, the way you're going to activate this, it has to be mounted to the wall bracket. There's some things that are going to happen, so you're going to have to mount the wall bracket, and then that's how you activate this, when you turn it into place and click it. Now it's going to chirp at you whenever you first put this on. You're going to find it and rotate it. Then when you first turn it on, it will chirp at you to let you know that it's activated. So we're going to push and hold to test it. Now if you need to silence it, you're going to push this button to hush. And we kind of see that down here. Twist on or off, this means it's not going to be activated. But when it's in its bracket and turned, it will be on. Now you want to be sure and put the date you installed it, because 10 years, that battery is only good for 10 years afterwards. Now there is a way to deactivate it when you're all done. That's what this little screw is for, and this little tab here. So it says at low battery, you're going to break the tab, which is down in there a little bit. It's a little hard. You're going to break that tab down right there, that one right there. Then you're going to rotate that to where that tab was, and then you can dispose of it. And you're going to rotate this to permanently discharge. So use a straight slot screwdriver to rotate this a little bit. That will discharge it. So this is when you're all done with it, when you're ready to dispose of it. Okay, let's go over some measurements. So it just has 2 screw holes, and they're approximately about 3 7/8 apart, almost 4 inches. Overall width 5.5. The unit itself's 5. Sticks out from the wall about 1 3/4 inches. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.